Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge S60 Neo, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to go back, scroll and localize the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap on it. So right here we've got the graph that will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So in my case it is 18 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here under it we've got also unlocks and notifications count. So if you wish, you can check some further details just by tapping on the inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. Of course, if you've got more data, you can just tap on the day and check it. Under it, you've got the list of apps that you've been using with a specific time you've spent on them. Also, if you want, you can tap on the camera, not the camera, but on the app itself, for example, settings. And again, you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can also change the way you can see the data, so from daily to hourly. It's up to you how you prefer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.